Yo, travelers, hang on tight. Airports are sleek, crazy hubs. But what's really going on behind those glossy check-in desks is a sneaky airport world of secrets airlines and airports don't share. From buying your ticket to picking up your bags, you're trapped in a profit-greedy rabbit hole with no transparency. Today, we're leaking 10 mind-blowing airport secrets to save you money, time, and aggro. Stick around, and if you're not subscribed yet, hit that button for more game-changing travel hacks. Let's dive into the chaos. Secret number 1. Airlines overbook on purpose. Ever seen people begging volunteers to give up their seats? It's not a malfunction. Airlines sell more tickets than seats, hoping some people won't show. It's a money grab. But when all the passengers check in, complete disaster. Here's the surprise. If you get bumped, you can win big compensation, up to $350 in the United States or higher elsewhere. Don't take their initial lowball offer. Push back, negotiate, and walk away with serious money. Secret number 2. Security's mind games. Those TSA lines, they're watching more than your bags. Security uses sneaky behavior detection tactics, scanning for sweaty palms, shifty eyes, or weird vibes. Spot something off? You're flagged for extra checks, even if your luggage is spotless. Some airports even have undercover agents eavesdropping in lounges or lines. Pro tip: stay chill, keep your cool, and avoid a pointless pat-down. Secret number 3. Water bottle. Rip-off 6 for a small bottle of water? Complete rip-off! Airports charge an arm and a leg, but here's the trick. The majority of terminals offer free water refill stations. They keep these gems tucked away behind expensive shops to get you to spend money. Fill up an empty bottle, get through security, and then fill her up for free. Your wallet will appreciate it, especially on long layovers. Secret number 4. Wi-Fi is spying on you. It monitors your location, surfing, and even where you hang out in the terminal. Some airports sell your information to advertisers or use it to research your spending. Worse, hackers can spy on unsecured networks. Secure yourself. Use a VPN for Wi-Fi or limit yourself to mobile data for sensitive things like banking. Don't let them swipe your info. Secret number 5. Hidden lounges for all think airport lounges are reserved for sophisticated first-class travelers. Quite a few lounges offer day passes as cheap as $30, with free snacks, beverages, Wi-Fi, even showers. Some credit cards or services like Priority Pass get you these benefits for free, even if you're sitting in economy. Skip the packed, overpriced food courts and relax in style. Ask at the counter or look up an app. Secret number 6. Sneaky flight price. Hikes airlines mess around with prices. They record your searches using cookies, raising prices if you repeatedly check the same flight. Get one step ahead, use incognito mode or delete your cookies. Better still, look for hidden city fares on websites such as Skip-Lagged, where your arrival point is a layover. Airlines don't like this trick because it saves you money. Secret number 7. Duty-free deals. Not always duty-free shops scream savings, but don't be fooled. Many items like gadgets or perfumes cost more than regular stores. Compare prices online before splurging. That said, some liquor or luxury brands can be cheaper. Check limits to avoid customs fees wiping out your deal. Secret number 8. Cruise secret hideouts. Ever wonder where pilots and flight attendants vanish on long flights? They've got cozy hideaways. Think bunk beds, curtains, even entertainment systems tucked above or below the cabin. Passengers? No entry. While you're squished in economy, they're napping in secret. Wild, right? Secret number 9. Baggage handler. Baggage handlers are usually in a hurry, paid to hurry, not to be gentle. Take care of your belongings. Use hard shell cases, wrap breakables, and don't overload. If your bag's totaled, report it. Right away. Airlines owe you money, but only if you move quickly. Secret 10. Security line tricks. Some security lines creep, others zip. Airports employ decoy lanes to control crowds, occasionally holding them for VIPs or staff. See a quicker line? Kindly request to change. Tip: reserve early morning flights for shorter lines. Fewer flights translate to less chaos. There you go. 10 secrets to hack your travel. From avoiding overbooking hoaxes to stealing lounge privileges, these hacks will save you headaches and cash. Enjoyed this? Hit that subscribe button for more travel tips to level up your next adventure. Safe travels, and don't forget to subscribe. Farhad Travel Stories.